1. Supervised machine learning. What is supervised machine learning? As its name suggests, supervised machine learning is based on supervision. It means in the supervised learning technique, we train the machines using the labeled dataset, and based on the training, the machine predicts the output. Here, the labeled data specifies that some of the inputs are already mapped to the output. More preciously, we can say first, we train the machine with the input and corresponding output, and then we ask the machine to predict the output, using the test dataset. Example of supervised machine learning. Suppose we have an input dataset of cats and dog images. So, first, we will provide the training to the machine to understand the images, such as the shape and size of the tail of cat and dog, shape of eyes, color, height, dogs are taller, cats are smaller, etc. After completion of training, we input the picture of a cat, and ask the machine to identify the object, and predict the output. Now, the machine is well trained, so it will check all the features of the object, such as height, shape, color, eyes, ears, tail, etc., and find that it's a cat. So, it will put it in the cat category. This is the process of how the machine identifies the objects in supervised learning. The main goal of the supervised learning technique is to map the input variable, x, with the output variable, y. Some real-world applications of supervised learning are risk assessment, fraud detection, spam filtering, etc. Categories of supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning can be classified into two types of problems, which are given below. 1. Classification. 2. Regression. A. Classification. Classification algorithms are used to solve the classification problems in which the output variable is categorical, such as yes or no, male or female, red or blue, etc. The classification algorithms predict the categories present in the dataset. Some real-world examples of classification algorithms are spam detection, email filtering, etc. Some popular classification algorithms are given below. 1. Random forest algorithm. 2. Decision tree algorithm. 3. Logistic regression algorithm. 4. Support vector machine algorithm. B. Regression. Regression algorithms are used to solve regression problems, in which there is a linear relationship between input and output variables. These are used to predict continuous output variables, such as market trends, weather prediction, etc. Some popular regression algorithms are given below. 1. Simple linear regression algorithm. 2. Multivariate regression algorithm. 3. Decision tree algorithm. 4. Lasso regression. Advantages and disadvantages of supervised learning. Advantages. Since supervised learning work with the labeled dataset, so we can have an exact idea about the classes of objects. These algorithms are helpful in predicting the output on the basis of prior experience. Disadvantages. These algorithms are not able to solve complex tasks. It may predict the wrong output if the test data is different from the training data. It requires lots of computational time to train the algorithm. Applications of supervised learning. Some common applications of supervised learning are given below. 1. Image segmentation. Supervised learning algorithms are used in image segmentation. In this process, image classification is performed on different image data with pre-defined labels. 2. Medical diagnosis. Supervised algorithms are also used in the medical field for diagnosis purposes. It is done by using medical images and past labeled data with labels for disease conditions. With such a process, the machine can identify a disease for the new patients. 3. Fraud detection. Supervised learning classification algorithms are used for identifying fraud transactions, fraud customers, etc. It is done by using historic data to identify the patterns that can lead to possible fraud. 4. Spam detection. In spam detection and filtering, Classification algorithms are used. These algorithms classify an email as spam or not spam. The spam emails are sent to the spam folder. 5. Speech recognition. Supervised learning algorithms are also used in speech recognition. The algorithm is trained with voice data, and various identifications can be done using the same, such as voice-activated passwords, voice commands, etc.
If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment down below. I will respond as per my best. Signing out.